Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another What's for Dinner. Today I'm going to be making some delicious, juicy, tender pork chops, thick pork chops in my air fryer today. They are absolutely magnificent. I want you to take a look at how beautiful these pork chops are. These are probably about 1 inch to 1.5 inches thick. They're absolutely gorgeous and they're going to make for a very delicious, delicious meal. Now all I like to do for mine is when I put them in the air fryer is I'm going to dust them, or not dust them, I'm going to rub just a little bit of olive oil on them. And what this is going to do, I lost my brush, you know, my barbecue brush. I lose everything in this house, I swear. But I'm just going to rub just a little bit on there. And that's probably enough to coat the back, the other side as well. That was quite a bit. But you just want to coat both sides with that olive oil. Just a little bit is all you need. And what that's going to do is that's going to help ensure that the seasonings, your dry seasonings that you put on there, is going to adhere to these chops. Now, in order to get the perfect charness to your air fryer pork chops, you need to go ahead and preheat your air fryer on about 375 for about 3 to 5 minutes. And what that's going to do is it's going to ensure that you're going to get a nice charring crispiness to the outside of the chops. And once you get those nice and coated with just a little bit of olive oil, I am using my Signature Blend seasoning, In the Kitchen with Sandy Signature Blend seasoning. This is what I like to use on my meat. It's absolutely amazing, and I certainly hope you have some at home. I hope you've ordered this from me. If you have not, then you can use whatever seasonings you would like on your pork chop. You could use salt and pepper and maybe some garlic and onion. Just season yours however, whatever seasonings that you like. But this is our favorite, especially when we're grilling our meats or if we're putting them in the air fryer. Or really, with anything. This is just a basic seasoning. It has my favorite spices in that, and it just creates such a wonderful, wonderful flavor to any dish that you're looking to create. It's good in pasta, it's good in soups and stews, and obviously meats, and it's amazing. Look at that, those are nice and seasoned. Now all we're going to do, we're going to wait till our air fryer is ready to go. We're going to pop these in the air fryer. You want your internal temperature of pork to reach at least 145 degrees. Trust me when I tell you, pure perfection. I want you to look at all that juice that came out of this pork chops. Absolutely amazing. Now let's get us a bite. Oh, look at that. Oh, look how tender and juicy that is. Oh. I'm telling you, it doesn't get any better than this. Mmm. Oh my word. Mmm. That is perfection. Mmm. So juicy. If you have never fixed a pork chop in your air fryer, you are certainly missing out. It is absolutely wonderful. I'm going to take my plate of chops. I'm going to head to the table and I'm going to eat. I might not even share. You know I love you guys very much. I appreciate you. And I'll see you in the next one.